Hello, Dr. Madni and Lijian. Now I will talk about my reflections from the project. My group is NetNester and my role in the group is network engineer. Our objective is to provide the solutions for the scalable network and the wireless connectivity to our customer. So in task one, we are requested to did the floor plan, and since I have not experienced for the floor plan before, so I did a lot of expert about the floor plan and finally know what step we need to include in the floor plan, and then I used the smart door to did the floor to complete this task. So in task two, uh, it's really the first experience for me to be the interviewer, to interview our scheduler, which is doctor. And since I lot of knowledge about the networking stuff, I did a lot of research about the questions that I can ask the doctor during the interview. So from the interview, I just know about our budget for the project is 750k ringgit. So in task three, I've learned how to did the research for the network device required for the project. So I learned a lot about how's the device look like and their brand, price, their functions and uses for each of the device, and finally know to differentiate the device for different range such as modem and the wireless access point. So this is the calculate amount that we needed for the projects after we did the survey, which is under the budget. So in this task, I also found that the most expensive device doesn't mean the most suitable for the project. So in task four, we have learned how to did the work area and how to make the connections, cabling, measurements, and to did the estimations for wiring for the future use. And then this is the total amount that we calculate for the projects. So in task five, I've learned a lot about the IP address. So I get to differentiate the network portions and host portions of the IP address to know how to do the subnetting to differentiate the network address and broadcast address. And finally, the team, I feel very grateful that I have the great teammates that we able to perform the teamwork to did the report compilations and submit it on time. So, in conclusion, this project is basically to develop and to install the network system for a building. So, I've learned a lot from gathering the requirements and get the budgets and then do planning and designing the system to find the appropriate network device and to do the network IP addressings and finally did the report and present our projects to the stakeholder. So that's all from me. Thank you.